turbo clothes rack from IKEA. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Clueless Dad. Today we're going to talk about this turbo clothes rack from IKEA. It's pretty cheap. It's about 50 US. Very simple. It's only, I think, 4 or 5 parts. Let me just quickly go over the construction and the assembly, and I'll talk about the other special features of it. So it's really just like 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces of plastic that snap together, and then this middle bar snaps in and then actually screws in. So there's only 2 Allen head bolts that go in here, and the rest is all snapped in. What else? It's got little notches here. Can carry, I don't know, probably 20 hangers, no problem. It's not like super stiff, but it's definitely strong enough to hold lots of stuff. We just use it here at our office for people putting their jackets and some bags and stuff hanging on there, but pretty simple. Yeah, and what else is there to say about it? The only other kind of cool feature is that it rolls. So that end has wheels. So if you want to like move it around a little bit, it's fine. It's also super light, so you can just, it's just a little bulky, but you know, picking it up is not too hard. I think anyone can pretty much do it as long as they're tall enough. So what else to say? It's super simple to put together. My staff actually put it together because I was away when it came, so they didn't want to wait. And I was a little bit pissed because I was like, dude, I got to do an unboxing and assembly, but they couldn't wait. So anyway, I don't think it's worth taking apart just to do it again. This guy has like a lap joint and snaps together. I don't know if it's unsnappable. It probably is, but probably not a good idea. So again, probably fine to just tell you about it. But as I said, 4 pieces, super simple. You don't even need the instructions, but there are instructions in case you do need it. So the only other thing to note is this is currently sold out in Hong Kong, and I don't know if that's because it's discontinued or if it's because of the virus and whatnot, but they don't have it in stock, and it's one of those things that it's still there, it's still at a price, so I'm assuming that they're planning on getting it back in. We only got this delivered maybe in right around Chinese New Year, so 3 months ago, so it's not like it's been a long time. Some of the furniture that you see in my videos, I actually ordered and even assembled like months and months in advance. By the time I put the video out, this is relatively new, so I don't think it's discontinued. It's just out of stock, and obviously depends on the country. Okay, so that's it for today. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Definitely check out our other videos. We've got tons of IKEA stuff. I just did these sprue tig hangers, which come in a pack of 10 for like $1.50 US. So obviously matches the color at least, right? So think about that. I have other furniture. I've got the chairs, I've got tables, I've got dressers and shelves and sofas, lots and lots of IKEA stuff, and I also do baby products. So consider subscribing if you're into that kind of stuff. I've also done one IKEA hack type video where I did the inverted Tarva, which is basically making a lofted bed out of a Tarva bed. So anyway, check that out. I will hopefully do more of those pretty soon. So consider subscribing for that too. Okay, that's it for today. See you guys next time. Bye. Having the stroller with me all the time up in the overhead bin. As soon as we get off the plane, pull it out, unfold it, and walk off. Literally that could save you 15-20 minutes right there.